Alright, so today on the wonderful, lovely gaming Metarock, not gaming Metarocks, sneaker Metarocks, sorry, I get those mixed sometimes because, this channel's so new that I just forget sometimes, um, so what we're gonna do is, so you guys don't see any name, is we got a box here, a box for you guys to see. You guys will probably already know by the title image or whatnot. I might actually just put in a I will probably put okay. Okay. Here's the box. Okay. So this is basically, that's what we're doing, is unboxing these pair. Now this is unique, I guess, for a box. I've never seen a box like this before. Anyways, but yes. Let's actually see if these are actually any decent. Okay, so that's what we get out of the box with these. You get different inserts, I guess. And they also give you where you can change the laces color. I probably will change the laces in these, just so that I have these for another pair of these, I guess. But I'm definitely liking the style of the shoe, to be honest with you. And then, hold on, let me show you the inside of the box. It comes with the fancy, nice little yellow, kind of yellowish paper, I guess. But hey, they came in a nice, decent box, I guess. So you guys will see these on feet here in a minute. And you guys will also, at the end of this video, I will probably have probably cards throughout the video, showcasing the other ones that I got from the same exact style. These are the bolds, the Adidas Superstar bolds. So I'll show you more. I have like 4 of these, and all 4 of these now. So there will be 4 on the channel. So there's 4 on the channel, and you guys will see those in cards, or you guys will see them in not like a playlist or anything, but more or less you'll see one at the end of the video that will send you to that one. And then there will be another one at the end that'll show you showcasing. I know this one's probably wasn't as enthusiastic as the other ones because, but yeah. So basically, if you guys enjoyed, make sure you guys hit that like button, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and make sure you guys check out these 2 videos here. There will be I always will have the lookbook playlist here. That's just going to show you everything that's going to be a lookbook. If there's a lookbook / unboxing, I will do that as well, put that in with the lookbook. But if there's an unboxing, I'll probably put those in a separate playlist as well, so you guys can kind of know that these were unboxed on top of it. But if there's a lookbook in front of it, I will do that as well. So I hope you guys are enjoying yourselves. Remember, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and make sure you hit that bell notification all so you can stay up to date with all things gaming Metarocks. And I usually do upload every Wednesday and every Saturday at about 3 o'clock every Wednesday and Saturday for best opportunities. So we'll see you guys in the next one. And make sure, like I said, Make sure you guys go check out my other channel as well, Sneak Gaming Metarox, the one that I did mention at the very beginning that I got confused with between these two. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!